What's up, y'all? It's Krystal Lee. Happy 2018. Listen, if you can't tell, I'm super excited about the new year. 2017 was like so lit, but I know that 2018 is gonna be even better for me, for you, for mama, for daddy, for everybody. Okay, so first things first, I know that if you're here, it's probably because you've seen some of my t-shirt videos, my business videos, and we're gonna keep a lot of that stuff going for 2018. Like I always say, if you have video suggestions, I want you to comment down below and leave your suggestions, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, because this year we're gonna take it to a whole new level, So I'm super excited about my store. I am KrystalLee.com. I have a lot of things going on for 2018. I am still selling t-shirts. Girl Plus God is the new brand. I'm so excited. Yay! Y'all know I love me some God and some Jesus. So I love brands that just glorify God. So yes, super excited about that. And let's get into some of the other new stuff that I have. A sermon notebook. Yes, for your sermon notes at church. I love this thing. Let's see if you can see it. It says sermon notes, and then it says, because I need to stay off my phone in church, because I don't know about you, but when I'm taking my notes in church, I start getting distracted. Instagram start popping up. People start texting me and stuff start going on, and I'll be like, oh gosh, what is the message about? So that's why I created this. I love this book. It is so freaking adorable. The first page, it is a scripture, my favorite scripture, which is Ephesians 3:20. And this belongs to, so, you know, can't nobody steal your sermon notes. And this is just a super cute book for your sermon notes every Sunday. So I love this. Super excited to add this to my brand. And this is my baby right here, this next one. Bam! I'm so excited about this one too. This is my Wake, Pray, Slay Prayer Journal. This has been in the works for so long. I am so excited about this one. And if you can see, it's me, and this one you sign as well. And it is just a journal to help busy ladies make God first in 2018 and beyond. This is a helpful prayer guide to like get you into prayer mode. And this is like a scriptures index. So for faith, relationships, love, patience, family, you know, if you just need like a quick, like, I'm going through it in my relationship, what do I need to do? Boom, go to my scriptures index and you can find it. And then it's how to use your prayer journal. What do I want? You get a calendar. And you have your personal goals for the month. We do monthly recaps. I'm asking questions every day, and you have a space to write your prayers. Yes! I'm so excited about this. So yes, these are the new items that are on my website. Wake, Pray, Slay, sermon notes, and Girl Plus God has its own website and a few other things that I'm doing. But I just wanted to kind of update you for 2018. Now let's get into this Q&A, because I've already had some questions about this stuff and some other stuff. So I just want to get those out the way. And if you have your own questions, you can drop them below. Okay, so the first question that I got is, how do I choose a business partner? So I've talked about this before in some of my previous videos. Sometimes you have a really great idea, but you may not be the best business person to execute that idea. Sometimes you may have a vision and you don't know how to start. Sometimes somebody has already started a business and you may have a bigger vision for it, and you're like, I can really make this thing like be even bigger. So sometimes we try to do it ourselves and we just can't go anywhere, and you just need to partner with somebody. You just need to work with somebody else to get you to where you want to go. It is a case-by-case situation on how you can find a business partner that is suited for you. But some suggestions that I will give is just, first of all, pray about it. I started working with a Girl Plus God because I prayed about it. I was like, I really want to go hard on t-shirts again for 2018. And it was like, this brand, I loved it. I knew that the brand had kind of paused for a second, and I was like, I know I can take this brand to the next level. And so maybe you've seen somebody that you know and they have a t-shirt business and you're like, oh, we can work together, we can do this. That may be a great idea for you. or if you have an idea but you know somebody that's like a really dope entrepreneur, then you may want to hit them up and just be like, hey, what do you think about working with me? Maybe we do a trial, maybe like 90 days and see how things work out. So yeah, it's a case-by-case basis. If you try it and it doesn't work out, you can just kind of move on. So I hope that helps you. So the next question that I got is, how did you get these journals printed? Now, I have got this question a million bajillion times. I'm probably not going to do a video on planners and journals and those type of things. But for something like this, I actually got this printed with a company called Pretty Printing, and I will leave their info below. This is a hardcover and spiral bounded journal, so it's a little pricey to make. It's a little more than shirt. So making journals took me for a little loop, y'all, but this one was done by Pretty Printing. So again, I'll leave their info below. You find a good graphic designer to make your book. So that is how you would start. In the very beginning, you find a graphic designer, you tell them what size you want. This is about 8x10. This size is 6x9. And so you tell them what size you want, and then you have them create it for you. And I have my graphic designer create it from cover to cover and the inside as well. And then you take your final design to a printer, and then you have your journal. So that's what you can do. You can also look up local printers in your area, and that's another way for you to get your journals and planners printed. So another question that I got is, how do I relaunch my brand? So we've talked about this before. Maybe you've started your t-shirt business or any business and it didn't quite work out the way you wanted to. It wasn't, you didn't sell that much, and so you kind of want to restart, restructure. Well, first of all, sometimes we love our designs, right? But everybody else don't love them. So you got to make sure that you have a design that is going to sell. That is first of all, whether or not you're relaunching with the same design or you're going back to the drawing board to get a new design, you want to make sure that you have a product that the market is going to want to buy. That's number one. Number two, you want to make sure you reach out to influencers. You can do this via DM on Instagram. You can go to Facebook and you can send emails. Hey, I have this really dope brand. I would love to send you a t-shirt for you to wear. If you agree, can I get your address and your size? You don't want to be stalkerish. Don't be stalking nobody and hitting them up every 2 days like, hello, hello. Just ask them real nicely, and if they respond, you send it to them. Don't pressure them even when they get it. Just let the influencers do what they do. It's great if you offer them a discount code, because that will also drive traffic to your site. If you need a website refresh, that is good also for your new relaunch. And of course, a dope coupon is always good. Offer people an incentive to come back to your brand. And it's okay to be honest with people and say, you know what, we had to take a break, but we're back and we're better than ever. So I hope that helps you with your brand relaunch. And just happy new year to y'all. I love you guys. We're gonna have a great time for 2018 and beyond. This is gonna be the year, y'all, that we take our businesses to the next level. So I love you so much. Make sure you leave your comments, your questions, and your video ideas below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.